The main Transfiguration Monastery is located nearby Veliko Tarnovo, only maybe 7 kilometers. So if you are in this perfect city, so you can easily reach this monastery by car. So the monastery itself was founded in the 11th century during the reign of the Tsar Ivan Alexander. To regret after during the Turkish conquest of Bulgaria, the monastery was absolutely destroyed, and it was renovated only in 19th century. So let's watch the video about this. Transfiguration Monastery is located 12 kilometers from the center of Veliko Tarnovo. When you follow the main road, you will see the sign. It's approximately after 10 kilometers from Veliko Tarnovo. Then you turn left, and then you drive along this road. The surface road is rather good. I think this road will help us to reach to the entrance to monastery. So we arrive into the monastery itself, and we are parked somewhere here, or maybe a little bit. Shit. I will turn back. This is the entrance to monastery, so you can go ahead. From the walls of monastery, very good sightseeing picture of surrounding mountains. The main attraction of this monastery is frescoes. They were did by well-known painter Tsar Zograf in 1849-1841. On the frescoes made by him, the most notable are the Wheel of Life, the Last Judgment, the Nativity of the Virgin, the Last Supper. So if you are somehow the guest of a perfect city, Veliko Tarnovo, obligatory visit this Orthodox Transfiguration Monastery.